Okay, two things. Okay, two things. One is that we missed the trade. Okay, we missed the trade not because of laziness, not because of fear. We missed because of uh, unawareness. Okay, that is one thing. Uh, the second thing is, I forgot the second thing. Okay, leave that. The second thing is, in order to fully utilize this strategy, to fully exploit this strategy, we need to be changing two things. Okay, first thing is get rid of fear, and the second thing is to change uh, the way we trade, change the mindset we have for trading, or change our uh, routine for trading. Initially, when we had that strategy, all we need to care was the London session and the New York session. uh, the rest of the time we could just be chilling and having fun. Okay, but in this type of strategy, in this strategy, we need to be aware when we need to be, and we could be carefree rest of the time. If we are aware, and if we place pending orders, if we set alerts, and if we check the charts constantly, uh, we can be free the rest of the time. We don't need to have 200% focus. But then when we are checking the charts, when we are placing alerts, when we are placing pending orders, we need to be 200-300% focused. Because yesterday, if you see, we placed this order thinking that it's going to go down and then going to go up, but then we failed to recognize that this one would come soon. I actually placed an alert. If you can see Aussie dollar, we placed an alert here, but the issue was we thought it won't come because it has a long time left, and I would be awake by then and I could trade live. So we need to change our mindset for this, that it's going to take a long time, so we can just wait till it happens. There's no harm in placing pending orders. There's no harm in placing pending orders, and if it doesn't happen, okay, fine. But if it does happen, then good, no? Whether it goes for a win or loss, at least we took action. So what we can do from now is, regardless of where we are in the chart, so if we are here, we can place a pending order here and here as well before going to sleep. Or if you are leaving outside, we place pending orders on every opportunity available, whether it's very far away or very close by. And when we are back, when we are next to the chart, we can close off all pending orders and trade normally. Does that make sense? This is the first thing. This is the second thing that we need to change, which is the mindset. So for that, the plan is, when we are next to the chart, when we are next to the computer, when we are at home, we will be trading normally. Okay, so we can place alerts and then trade after we get the alert. But when we are not at home, when we are sleeping and we are about to go out, and all such situations where the computer isn't accessible, we will place pending orders regardless of the position we are in right now. So if we are here and the order block is there, we can just place it and go off. Okay, no need to care. This is the second thing. And the first thing, which is getting rid of fear, is also part of the mindset thing. But then getting rid of fear would help us in placing pending orders without hesitation. Okay, the reason I still have fear is because of that, because of all the losses we took from trading the previous strategy, which was 36% win rate. So most of the time we take it's loss. So we need to get rid of that fear in our head. We need to, address the fact that this is a new strategy. Our body, our mind, everything should get used to the new strategy, and get used to the 50% win rate. So we will have lesser fear. So I'll show you the trades that we missed. This looks like a break even, but actually no. If you see the 1 hour, even the 1 hour looks like break even, but no. So this is the 4 hour, and if you go to 1 hour, this would be the order block, right? Okay. And even if we consider the entire thing as the order block and took a trade here, but which we wouldn't have, we would have taken here. Okay. 1:2. Look at that. And even if we consider this as the order block, 1:2. In any manner, if we consider this, the order block and took the trade. Even if we took this 15 minutes, anything, literally if we did any method, we would have won this trade. Any method, we would have won this trade. See, any method, we would have won this trade. But in the 1 hour, it shows like it's break even, right? Yeah. So one more fact to consider in the weekend for working on off is is this. The 1 hour shows break even, but actually it's a win. So sometimes, when we were backtesting in the 1 hour, this we would have considered break even, but it's actually a win. And at the same time, many losses which we took, maybe within the 1 hour candle, there would have been a 1:1 break even. So with all that in mind, we should be looking at the data, whether 1:1 is better or 1:2 is better, or the number of times we break even, the number of times we lose, the total win rate after considering all this. So this is the weekend thing. Now I've placed 3 pending orders. Okay. Where is it? Yes. USD JPY, this one. We're waiting on it. And New Zealand dollar. We placed the pending order on 1 hour order block. And the Aussie dollar, this one. Okay, but no, we can't say that. We have to wait. Saying this only made us miss this trade. So no more saying it is far away. It's unlikely to come here, go here. No. Okay, but anyway, we'll place an alert there. So that, the alert is still here. Let's place an alert for here. This is a low probability setup, but then still we'll be taking it. I think the time's up. So we have planned for the day. So let's start from the back. USD Chinese yuan, no trade, as you can see. We need to place an alert for the next 4 hour candle. So let's do that. Okay, and then Euro Aussie dollar, we have this trade. So let's write that down. Then we have a trade in gold, this sell trade over here, and Bitcoin, we have buying opportunity here. So let's move it here. Okay, then we do not have any trade in USD CAD. We need to wait for the candle close. Then New Zealand dollar, we have this trade which I've already placed a pending order on. Then this is the second 1 hour order block, but since this is already worked, we don't need to care about this. Okay. Okay, so USD JPY, we are in a trade, and GBP JPY, we have something over here. So let's place an alert here. Yeah, it's already there. So we have this, we have this. We have already placed this order. We don't have a trade here. And we have a potential Aussie dollar. It's a low probability setup because there's no break of structure here. Unless it breaks and comes down, we don't have a setup. Euro USD, we don't have any setup for a sell. We have a setup for buy, which we've already placed an alert. There's no gap here. Within here, there's a tiny gap here. So let's see. Yeah, but there's no clear gap in the 1 hour, so let's not trade this. So we need to wait for it to come here to take the next trade. So as of now, we have 4 opportunities. One is low probability. So let's see what happens. Okay. I hope I didn't miss any trade. It's 3:49. So basically, it's just a different day, same story kind of shit. We're gonna be hitting break even. I mean, we already hit break even. So we have broken even, but the price is yet to come and tap our break even zone, and mostly is gonna do that. I'm not gonna close it, but if you can see, we're about to hit break even. Yeah, in like 5 seconds, it's gonna hit. But the stupid thing is, this is what this strategy is about. You need a precise entry, precise stop loss, and precise take profit levels. And if you see here, it's 1:2, right? But the thing is, I did not zoom in enough to place precise entry. Okay, I placed the order here, and I placed the order a little bit away from there, so it's like this big, and my 1:2 was here, and So we missed the trade by, yeah. So we took a very casual entry, I would say, and we missed on the profits. So right now we're going to be breaking even, 99%, and it's again different day, same story, but the story is slightly different. That if we were precise about our entry, we would have gotten our take profit levels, and what's even worse is not this one we won, so we did not care about the second 1 hour order block. Okay, let's not care about that, but look at this. The levels I marked, and I placed a pending order. Okay, and we missed it by this much. Okay, just by this much we missed. We would have won the trade if it tapped us in, but it did not tap us in. If you want, you can see here I placed the order, but it did not tap us in, it just went away. So yeah, so this is how the day has been going. So mostly we're going to be having a break even. Yeah, so let's plan for the rest of the day. Yeah, so let's start from your USD. We have the setup here, nothing else. So new setup has to be created for a new other setup. So there's nothing on the left other than this and this. GU, we don't have any clear setup. This gap has been filled. There's a tiny gap here, but there's no clear order block here, just like that. Okay, then we have this, so we're waiting on that. GBP JPY, no trade, just consolidating until here or until it gives us a new setup. We just broke even USD JPY, so the next trade would be somewhere here, sale. New Zealand dollar, no setup. Aussie dollar, we have the setup. There's a fair value gap here and this order block here. So and we have low probability setup within a low probability setup because this hasn't broken structure, and there are two 1 hour order blocks. So we'll have to see what happens. Then USD CAD, we have this entry waiting for us. There's nothing to sell off of as of now. We have this buy opportunity here. Euro JPY, we have this sell opportunity here. I've placed an alert here, so let's see what happens there. And then gold, we have this sell opportunity here, but then it's gold, so you know. Bitcoin, we have something over here, but I think again the stop loss is going to be big, so nothing there. Then USD GBP, same thing, buy here, no trade, but and there's a sell setup coming for Euro GBP here. And USD Chinese yuan, there is no trade. Okay, so I marked down all the potential trades on the chart, on the whiteboard, and there are 9 potential setups. So let's just wait and see what happens.